I heard the thermostat click and I came down here and I decided I'd make this video from that. Because he wanted to see my furnace running in April. So I heard the thermostat click and then I rushed down here and heard the furnace click on. So there you go. Furnace light. It's about 50 degrees outside on April 11, 2012. And it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's not that bad out. It's just chilly. Oh, these burners are getting slowly behind. There's almost a roll back there. There you go. I'm waiting for the blower to kick in. And there we go, the 3-ton blower kicking on at low speed. Or maybe it's a 3.5-ton blower. Honestly, I forget. It's not that bad out. But yeah, we had the air on for about a week in mid-March because it was in the high 80s. It was like 88 one day. So it's crazy weather. Yeah, I'll show you the fan. It's getting warm, you know. I'm guessing it's maybe 85 degrees coming out now. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely getting warmer. But, you know. Alright. That's that. I'll take you upstairs and show you the thermostat. There. 66 heat on. And it's too humid for the, what's it called? Humidifier to turn on, so it's not on. The vent back there. And then this vent here. It's warm, nice. Getting warmer. I don't know why this lamp's on. That's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let's get one more shot of the furnace. And yeah, I decided to change back into my pajamas early. I don't know. Alright, that's it.